When light enters the eye, an image is formed in the brain which enables us to see. Yet, a number of complex processes take place, which are almost instantaneous, which allows us to see things instantly. When light enters the eye, it enters as photons. Photons are packets of light energy. It passes through the horizontal cells, the bipolar cells, the ganglion cells, and the amacrine cells. Hits onto the rods and cones, and these are called the photoreceptor molecules. As it hits the rods consist of retinal, which is in turn bonded to an opsin. So when it hits the rod, it changes the shape of the retinal, and once it changes the shape of the retinal, it in turn changes the shape of the opsin. This activates the secretion of what is known as transducin, which is a relay molecule. Transducin in turn releases the amount of inhibitory neurotransmitters. And these are the bipolar cells. The information from a number of bipolar cells then goes to one horizontal cell, and then one horizontal cell carries the information from the bipolar cells, and then the amacrine cell in turn carries the information to a number of ganglion cells. At this point, the light energy is transferred into an electrical impulse,
and then travels to the occipital lobe in the brain.
The image that is seen by the right eye and the image that is seen by the left eye both travels to the
occipital lobe in the brain.
Now, the image from the left visual field of both the eyes is then taken to the right side of the brain. This is the cerebral hemisphere, and from the right visual field to the left side. Now, there is a blind spot at which there is no image seen. That is why when the two optic nerves from the right eye and the left eye, they converge at a point known as the optic chiasma. At this optic chiasma, all the information is collected from both the left eye and the right eye, and the image that is seen then travels to a visual integration center in the brain, where when the information from both the visual fields seen by both the eyes is converged, and we see an image.